Today, we are going to make healthy Ulundhamkali, or in other words, black gram halwa. The ingredients we need are. Now, we're going to slightly roast the split black gram in a heavy-bottomed saucepan until you get a nice aroma. The heat should be mild. It does not have to be a golden roast. When the aroma comes, let's set it aside to cool down. Now, let's add 3 cups of water to 1 cup of palm sugar and let it boil. Use the same cup you used to measure your raw rice flour for all the other measurements. There could be a lot of impurities in the palm sugar, therefore we will be removing it. Let it boil. Meanwhile, let's coarsely grind the cooled down split gram. Let's filter the palm sugar syrup. Now you can see how much impurities we have filtered. In this syrup, let's add the coarsely powdered black gram and raw rice flour. Let's also add half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Keep stirring so that the big chunks fully dissolve. The heat should be mild so that the split gram can be cooked properly. We have coarsely grinded the split gram so it won't stick to our teeth when eating it, and it'll be nice. You can also use the peeled off white gram instead of black gram if you can't get the black gram. Today I have used my homemade raw rice flour to make the meal. I will share a video later on about how to do it very easily at home. Now we have the right consistency. Let's add 2 teaspoons of ghee or sesame oil and mix it one more time. Our black gram halwa is ready to eat.